Good afternoon, everybody. I'm excited to share with you my new master bedroom closet makeover. I think first I will just do a brief description of some of the things that I did to update it, and then I will give you some tips on organizing. So to start with, I finally got this little chandelier sconce installed. Originally, I had just a plain light bulb right there where the electrician put a cover over. So that's one thing. Oh, also, the popcorn ceiling is gone, and I just gave everything a coat of white paint. Now, this tower here was originally over there. So I had it moved over. Actually, even before I moved in, this tower was exactly where it is. And after I moved in and I'd moved that one over there, I divided that and I used half here and half in one of my other closets. So I've just put it back the way it was there. Put the closet rods back up. So I've got two levels here, the top level being for tops and sweaters and hoodies and that type of thing. And the bottom, I've got some t-shirts and jeans, and basically all the bottoms. Jeans, shorts, skirts, capris. I don't have too many of those, but all my bottoms are down on the lower level. I had a shelf made to go along the top, so I could just put my purses along the top. I had my honey make this special corner shelf up there, and the only thing I really had to buy was the elbow for the corner. I already had the end pieces of the closet rod. They just had to be cut down to size there. But everything else I already had. So it's kind of hard to see in such a small space, but I wanted to display my purses, and I wanted to be able to see my shoes and things too. So now this shoe cubby thing, the dividers originally came out of this box here. But it fits in perfectly in here. So I moved that, and then that area was perfect for putting my my tall boots. And I've got one pair of slippers above that there. But also, so I painted this little hook thing here so I could hang some of my jewelry that I actually wear, and it's a lot easier for me to pick something out to wear now that it's hanging there. And for my one little piece of decor, I have this antique camisole that my grandmother had given me, and I actually wore that when I was 15 as like a top outside because I was kind of weird. Had my own style. And well, the ribbon's been changed, but it is, it's amazing I actually fit in that thing. So, but it's so pretty. I didn't want to get rid of it, and it's sentimental. So anyway, now I have a place to enjoy it, and it's not hidden in a box anywhere. So there is that. Now, I don't have a dresser in my room because I don't like the extra piece of furniture taking up space. And I've tried to minimize my wardrobe to what I might actually use and what actually fits me. So everything in this closet is everything I have that I can currently wear. I do actually have another closet where I put a few things that I would like to get back into someday when I lose some weight again. But right now, this is what I have to deal with. So I have my sweatshirts and exercise wear and pajamas and t-shirts and underwear and socks, and then I have like some extra glasses cases and oddball things, purses, the extra purse when I want to switch them out. So those things are in the drawers. I have my perfumes displayed on this little tray here, and the jewelry box back there has a few more like bangles and things that don't fit on my my hooks there. That was actually I think it was a Christmas present from my parents when I was like 14, and originally it was like a dark brown, but it got really worn, I should say. So I just painted it silver, and it's still got the you know, like the velvet lining and stuff in there. So anyway, so that's that. This basket up here is just filled with stuff for gifts that I might give somebody. In this corner section here, I have my 3 dresses, my basic black one and these 2 other summer dresses, which I haven't worn yet, and some summer tops, sleeveless ones and short sleeve ones, and I also have my little collection of scarves, which I hardly ever wear. Now, tucked in the side here, I have another one of those hook things. It's got 3 hooks on it. So I've got a knapsack purse and a back scratcher, and I also have a free hook for clothes that are not dirty enough to go in the laundry, so I can just hang it up there instead of just throwing it on my chair out in my bedroom. So it's kept up off the floor, and yeah, so I can just wear it again another day if it's not ready to go in the laundry. Okay, now in this section here, I have my paint clothes in that basket down below, and all my shoes, sandals, that type of thing. In this basket, I've got extra small purses, and in here I've got my bathing suits and another one of my purses I use on a regular basis that I switch out with the knapsack that I have currently. And in those boxes up there, I have some extra like gloves and that type of thing. Oh, and I think my hat collection as well. So now that little accordion file thing, I haven't started using yet, but I wanted to put some important papers in there. So anyway, that's that. So I hope you enjoyed this tour of my master closet, and got some inspiration and some ideas for how you can also organize your master closet and repurpose some of the things that you have.